Are you wanting to start a painting business and make maximum profits as a painting contractor? When I first started painting, I used to wonder what the breaking point was before a prospect would say no to my bid. Because knowing that, you can earn maximum profits on every job. If you have had this same question going off in your mind, then please visit my site at paintingbusinessman.com and get my free report today by instant download. It's called 7 Painting Business Tips That Every House Painting Contractor Needs to Know. As a painting contractor, I have years of experience and I can help you squeeze the most money out of every job. Painting profits are unlimited. The best contractors always quote professional prices and work for some of the best customers. It's the only thing standing between you and your goals and your dreams. Not having the right knowledge will cost you a lot of wasted time and money over the years. You don't have to be wandering in the dark and leaving big money on the table when you can be in profits as soon as this week. Get these secrets now that show you everything needed to improve your bottom line like a real painting businessman does. Just visit paintingbusinessman.com. Get tips, tricks, and techniques for the big money you deserve and for getting the best customers. I have been helping painters make more money since 2004. My fully illustrated manuals have everything in them for you to make maximum profits guaranteed. Again, just visit paintingbusinessman.com and get my free report today by instant download.